Now before I start the class, there are few expectations from my end. Kindly sit in the class. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen or a pencil. Notebook and pen or a pencil. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen or a pencil. At the end of the class, at the end of every class, I will give an assignment of 20 questions. 20 questions. Keep a timer and try to solve these questions in 15 minutes time. If a student is unable to solve a question in less than 1 minute time, then there is no use for you in attending the classes. I will give an assignment at the end. In case if I forget it, please update me. Assignment 20 questions will be given and you need to solve it in 15 minutes. Kindly be very serious and sincere. In case if you got any doubts, kindly take a mail ID support@anilnayarclasses.com, support@anilnayarclasses.com. Alternatively, in case if you want the class link to directly get into your WhatsApp, save this number 8296989020. Kindly save this number and send a message to get the class link directly. All concepts, 3 things will happen at the end of every class. Every student will be extremely good in concepts related to number system. You can create your own questions. You can predict the kind of questions that are coming in your exams. Create your own questions. All the placement related questions also will be discussed in the next 15 days time. And most likely, students will solve the question in fastest time, less number of steps, and you will be, the only thing which I can give you through my 15 years experience is confidence to tackle any exams. Before I start the class, kindly send which college you are from in the live chat. Kindly send which college you are from in the live chat before I start the class. Kindly update me which class you are from. Any student who is uninterested, you can leave the class. Any student who is an attention seeker, the only gift which I can give you is to block you and stop the disturbance that is happening. Any attention seeker, that's the gift which I can give you, to block you, sir. Kindly save this number and send a WhatsApp message. I want each and every student to reply in the live chat which class, which college you are from, So I have got students from Shantiram, Vishnu, Nitti Meenakshi, BGSIT, Narayana Engineering College, Nellore, Vemana from, right. Take a notebook and a pen. Ravindra College, Kurnool, BVRIT, Hyderabad. One is from Parul, Kids, Warangal. Now let us straight away get into the class, sir. Today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, number system, April 2nd, April 3rd, April 4th, April 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. These 4 days, close to 24 hours, I will be discussing only number system. Please write down in your notes 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. In case if you are preparing for placements, 10 to 15% of the questions is the weightage from number system. In case if you are preparing for CAT and other management exams, 15 to 20% is the syllabus. GRE or GATE, it is 8 to 15% questions are from number system. Bank or SSC, 15 to 25% of the questions are from number system. In case if you take any of the other exams like GMAT or any of the other aptitude examinations, on an average close to 12 to 20% syllabus will be there. Give me 4 days of time, we will solve close to 750 questions in a number system absolutely with ease. This is the weightage of the topic in your examination. Now let us straight away get into the class. When I am explaining a concept, kindly do not type anything in live chat. Listen to the class. In case if you want me to explain again, say it in the live chat to explain once again. When I ask you to ask doubts, at that time only please ask doubts. Number system. Today's topic of discussion will be last two digits of a number. How to find the last two digits of a number? For example, 173 is there. Last two digits is nothing but 73. So when I say last two digits, I am referring to the units place and I am referring to the tens place. When I am asking you to find the last two digits of a number, I am only referring to the last two digits of a number, or in other words, rightmost two digits of a number. Both are synonyms, you can use it accordingly. Rightmost two digits. Rightmost means right hand side. Rightmost two digits are nothing but the unit digit and last two digits. Extremely important topic. In this question, he will ask you how to find the last two digits of a number. We are not worried about the entire number. We are just worried about the last two digits of a number. What are the last two digits of a number? Last two digits of a number is nothing but the units place and a tens place of a number. Entire problems for the next 2 hours is only in finding the last two digits of a number. I hope the definition of last two digits is extremely clear to you. This is the first key point. Second key point number 2. This key point is extremely important. So solve few questions. Question is, if I take some random number, let me call it as x. If I square this number, and if I do 50's complement, 50 plus x whole square, or 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square or 50 minus x whole square, or 50 multiple, next multiple of 50 is 100, 100 plus x whole square or 100 minus x whole square, all will have same last two digits. All will have same last two digits. First write down this point, then I will explain you with proof, then I will give you some examples to make you understand this concept. If I take a number x, 50 plus x whole square or 50 minus x whole square, 100 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Example. Then I will give you proof. Suppose if I take x, let me do x square. let me do 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, 100 plus x whole square, 100 plus x whole square. Let me do what will happen. Let me take x value 4. Square of 4. 4 square is 16. Next is 50 minus 4, which is 46 square. 46 square is 2116. Last two digits is same. Last two digits is same. 50 plus 4 square. 54 square is 2916. 2916. 100 minus 4 square. 96 square is 9216. 100 plus 4 square. 104 square is 10816. Now if you see this example, what did I say? If there is a last two digits for x square, 50 minus x whole square is also giving you the same last two digits. 50 minus 4 is, right, 46 square, 2116. 50 plus 4 square, 2916. 100 minus 4 square, 96 square, which is 9216. 100 plus 4 square is 10816. If you observe, last two digits is same for all these numbers. Just an example to make you understand. X square, 50 minus x square, 50 plus x square, 100 minus x square, 100 plus x square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. There are few students, for example, Jagadish, Manohar. This is the first time which I am telling you. Second time I will not tell you. In case if you are not interested, you can sign off. Kindly do not disturb the class. Kindly do not disturb the class, or the best way to please write down this point. X square, 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, 100 plus x whole square. Last two digits are same. Immediately the students might get a doubt, Anil sir, how you directly wrote 46 square as 2116, 96 square as 9216. Is there any logic which you are doing it mentally and telling it? Yes, there is a logic. Now first learning from this slide is, you take a number, square it, do 50 minus, square it, do 50 plus, square it, do 100 minus x, square it, do 100 plus x, square it. Last two digits will not same. In other word, x square, 50 multiple plus or minus x whole square, last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same if you do 50 multiple plus or minus x whole square. But we did an example. We have to understand with proof why this example is working. Side heading, write down proof. Side heading, write down proof. After I explain a complete concept, in case if you got a doubt, I will ask you to keep a doubt. At that time, ask a doubt. Still now this concept is not over. Now proof. Proof. Please make a note of it, or please make a note of it. Proof. Proof. Suppose 278 is there. The last two digits of 278. Last two digits of 278 is 78. It is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. 278 when I divide by 100. 100 twos are 200. What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 78. Another extremely important point. Last two digits of any number. write down as it is. I know from where, when you will get the doubt, and I know how to clarify the doubts also. Last two digits of any number n, it is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Please write down the next key point. To get the last two digits of any number, take a number, divide by 100. You will get the answer. That itself is the last two digits. 278 divided by 100. 100 twos are 200. Remaining is 78. Last two digits of any number is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Now let me take 50 plus x whole square. If I open this bracket, it is a square. Next is 2ab. And next is b square. 50 plus x whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, I want the last two digits of this number. Last two digits is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 100. 50 square, 2 into 50 into x plus x square divided by 100. 2500 divided by 100, remainder 0. 100 into any number divided by 100, remainder is 0. What is left? X square. That is exactly why I said x square, 50 plus x whole square, 50 minus x whole square, 100 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Why? Because if you are doing 50 plus or minus x whole square, 50 minus x whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. 50 square is 2500. 2500 is divisible by 100. Remainder is 0. 100 into any number divisible by 100. Remainder is 0. What is left? X square is left. What is left? X square is left. I hope the concept is clear. If it is happening for 50, if I take 100, 100 plus or minus x square, 100 square plus or minus 2 into 100 into x plus x square. 100 square is divisible by 100. 2 into 100 divisible by 100. What is remaining? X square. I hope everybody is clear right now. Why the last two digits of a number is same? If you add 50 to that number or if you subtract 50 from that number and square it. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. 50 plus x whole square, 50 minus x whole square, 100 plus x, 100 minus x square. Last two digits will be same. Because you know this concept, now you understood this concept, you can solve the question which takes 1 minute for you to solve. You can solve it in less than 10 seconds. Let us take some examples. Examples. Find the last two digits for. Examples. Find the last two digits for. Find the last two digits for. Most of my classes you will see how fast you are solving once you have understood the concept. Find the last two digits for. Question is 96 square. 96 square. One way is to find out 96 square. See the last two digits and tick mark. But 96 is nothing but 100 minus 4 square. X square. 50 plus or minus x whole square or 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. last two digits will be same. 96 square is 100 minus 4 square. 100 minus x square, last two digits is x square. 4 square is 16. First one, answer is 16. Why? Because 96 is 4 less than 100. So 100 minus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Second example. Every concept minimum 3 to maximum 5 to 6 examples. 59 square. If it is 59, this will be 50 plus 9 whole square. 50 plus 9 whole square. X square and 50 plus x whole square. So, the 9 square answer is 81. 9 square answer is 81. 88 square. 88 square. Check how much it is more than 50 or how much it is less than 50. Check how much it is more than 100, how much it is less than 100. Do the square. 88 square. 88 is 100 minus 12 whole square. X square 100 minus x square. 12 square is 144. Last two digits is 44. Last two digits is 44. I hope the first three examples are clear. Now kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Now reply it. Now reply it. Now reply if it is clear to you. I will make you solve 2 power 2004 last two digits as 16 in less than 10 seconds once you understand the class. Right now, I am sure it should be clear to you. One more question. 53 square. Then I will increase the level of difficulty. 50 plus 3 whole square. So answer is 3 square. 9 in a 2-digit format is 09. 9 in a 2-digit format is 09. First 4 examples are the basic problems. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. 96, 59, 88 and 353. E 38 92 square. 3892 whole square. 3892 whole square. I want the last two digits. So the focus is only on the last two digits of a number. 38 is eliminated because my entire question is only based on last two digits. So it is 92 square. 92 is nothing but 100 minus 8 square. X square. Answer is 8 square 64. 8 square 64. 64. I hope it is clear, right? 3892 whole square. Only the last two digits is 38 should be eliminated. 92 square is 100 minus 8 square. 8 square is 64. Santosh has asked a question. 2 power 50 divided by 100. Remainder is how much? On April 4th, I am going to discuss reminders. But if you are curious to know how to do it, you can do it by using Euler's theorem. You can do it by using Chinese remainder theorem. You can do it by using the last two digits of 2 power 50. For your information, answer for your question is 24. In case if you type it in Google, the same question was asked 25 years before in 1985 or 95. Close to in American Mathematical Olympiad Sub-Junior. Any other doubts are there, you can ask. I hope it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 examples. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. F. Question number F. 5387 power 4. 5387 power 4. 5387 power 4. Now if you see here, in this question, in this question 5387 power 4, my focus is on the last two digits of a number. Last two digits of a number. Because it is last two digits of a number, take the last two digits. 87 power 4. 87 power 4 is 87 square whole square. 87 square is nothing but 100 minus 13 square. So the last two digits for this number is 13 square whole square. 13 square is 169. Last two digits is 169. 169 square. 169 is 50 plus 19 whole square. So it is 19 square. 19 square is 361. 361. It is 87 power 4. How are you getting? Right? Please do not write your answers right now. When I ask you to write the answers, at that time write it. At that time write it. A small information from my end. In between, after every 45 minutes to or 1 hour, probably my face will not be visible because of the battery issue. My team will change the battery and it will take 15 seconds to come back. Don't go restless if you are unable to see my face. 87 power 4. 87 power 4 is 87 square whole square. 87 square is 13 square. 13 square is 169. 69 square. 50 plus 19 square. 19 square is 361. From now onwards, please do not write answers. Kindly do not write answers. Do not write answers in the live chat. You can do assignment later and keep a timer. You don't need to show your answer in the public platform. Keep a timer, check whether you are able to solve the question in less than 1 minute, and my logics are helping you to grow. You yourself should test it with a timer. Right? Please write down. Do not write the answers in the assignment. Right? Somebody asked, what is the use of finding the last two digit numbers? Where we can use them? In case if any student wants to know the application of mathematics, you can go to Google and type Hungarian Book of Mathematics. Hungarian Book of Mathematics. It will help you to understand how these mathematics can be applied across various walks of a life, whether it is a number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, or mensuration. Right? Hungarian Book of Mathematics. Now, one more question. Right? One more question. 5342 power 4. Try to solve one more practice question. 5342 power 4. Santosh, I will explain your question when I am discussing the last two digits of 2 power 50. I am not a private tutor to you. Right? There is a structure. Please respect the structure. 5342 power 4. Last two digits is 42. 42 power 4, which is 42 square whole square. 42 square is 8 square whole square. 8 square is 64. 64 whole square. 64 is 50 plus 14 square, which is 14 square. Last two digits of a number is 196. Last two digits of a number is 196. 5342 power 4. Last two digits is 42. 42 power 4 is 42 square whole square. 42 square is 8 square. 8 square whole square. 8 square is 64. 64 square is 50 plus 14 square. 14 square is 196. Answer is last two digits. Last two digits 96. I hope the idea is clear. Still we have not entered into 4, 40, 200. Our basics should be extremely strong. Then we can do. Now find out, write down another key point. The best way to learn is to create your own questions after the class is over. Write down another logic. How to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. This is something which I did not discuss when I am doing x square 50 plus x whole square 50 minus x whole square. Key point 1. Key point 1. Key point 1. Suppose a square minus b square is there, which is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. This is one notation which we all know. But there is a famous mathematician by name Arthur Benjamin who has developed a logic to find the square of a number based on this. A square is nothing but a minus b into a plus b square. This is a logic, one of the logic to find the square of a number. This is one of the logic to find the square of a number. How to use this logic we will see. Arthur Benjamin. If anybody wants this book on speed calculations, in case if you want this book on speed calculations, kindly WhatsApp this number. Team will send you this book. Especially the students who are poor in aptitude, who wants some good how to do addition fast, how to do multiplication fast, you can WhatsApp this number. My team will send this book on speed calculation. He is one of the best mathematicians. You can see some of the videos, some of these videos, right, in YouTube. A square is a minus b into a plus b square. How to use this logic? Suppose if it is 98 square. 98 square. Step number 1. A value is 98. 98 is nearer to 100. 98 is nearer to 100. A is 98. 98 100. Difference is 2. B is nothing but the difference between the number and assumed base. 9800 absolute difference. 98 minus 2 into 98 plus 2 plus 2 square. 98 minus 2 96. 100 plus 4. Answer is 9604. 9604. If I want to find out 98 square, 98 is nearer to 100. 98 minus 2. 98 plus 2 plus 2 square. Answer is 9604. Suppose if it is 91 square. 91 square. Without doing these intermediate steps, you can get the answer. 91 square. 91 is nearer to 100. 91 minus 9. 82. 91 plus 9. 100. 9 square is 81. So answer for this question is 82, 81. The only thing which you should know is B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 98 square. Just look at me. 98 minus 2, 98 plus 2 plus 2 square, which is 9604. 91 square. 91 minus 9, 91 plus 9 plus 9 square, which is 82, 81. Now we will do few numbers orally. 87 square. 87 square. 87 is nearer to 100. Difference is 13. 87 minus 13, 74. 87 plus 13 is 100. 13 square is 169. 7400 plus 169 is 7569. Directly you will get this answer. 87 minus 13, you don't need to waste your time doing all this. 87 minus 13, 87 plus 13 plus 13 square. 94 into 100. 74 into 100 plus 169. 7569. 7569. Suppose if it is 109 square. 109 square. 109 base is nearer to 100. 109 minus 9. 100. 109 plus 9. 118. 9 square is 81. Answer is 11881. 11881. I hope it is clear. Nihar Ganesh, can you please reduce the number of comments you make? It's a waste of time for you, and other students might think, why are you cluttering it? When I ask you to ask, if you ask me the best book for number system as a topic for competitive examination, the best book is your 6th class to 9th class NCERT, CBSE and IGSE syllabus that contains beautifully well defined concepts which comes in your examination, right? 109 square, 992 square, 992 square, 992 minus 8, 984, 992 plus 8 which is 1000, 8 square is 64. So answer for this question is 984064. 984064. I am explaining the 3-digit number again. 109 square is there. 109 is nearer to 100. 109 is nearer to 100. 109 minus 9. 100. 109 plus 9. 118. 9 square is 81. 118 plus 81. 11881. Another example. 986 whole square. 986 whole square. 986 is nearer to 1000. 986 minus 14. 986 plus 14 plus 14 square. This is 972. 1000 is 3 zeros. 14 square is 196. So answer is 972196. Answer is 972196. I hope it is clear. Square of a number. Square of a number. How to find out the last 2 digits? For a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, as per the context or the numerical value, we will change the question, right? Concept is applicable for even powers, odd powers, every power it will. It is also applicable for power to the power also. That also I will explain. I hope the concept is clear. Now, what all we discussed, all these concepts I am going to use this. I am revisiting. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. Has same last 2 digits. What is the another logic we discussed? If you want to find the square of a number, another logic is a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. These 2 logics which we discussed. Now, one more question which we will solve. How many 2-digit numbers? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 189? First question 189. How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 89? There is a 2-digit number, it seems. If I square it, I should get 89. What you will do is find the lowest number Which on square I will get 18, 9. What is the lowest number on square? I will get 18, 9. 17 square is 218, 9. This is the lowest number. What will be the next number? 50 minus 17, which is 33 square. What is the next number? 50 plus 17, 67 square. What is the next number? 100 minus 17, which is 83 square. What will be the next number? 100 plus 17, 1117 square. But I want a 2-digit number. How many 2-digit numbers? On squaring I got 89 as the last 2 digits. So answer is 17 square. 50 minus 17 is 33. 50 plus 17 is 67. 100 minus 17 is 83. 17 square, 33 square, 67 square and 83 square. In case if you want to cross check, 33 square is 1089. Last 2 digits is 189. 67 square is 4489. Last 2 digits is again 189. 83 square is 6889. 6889. Last 2 digits is 189. If the last 2 digits is given, how many 2-digit numbers on squaring? How many 2-digit numbers on squaring ends with 189? 7 square 289. 17 square 289. 17 square 289. 50 minus 17. 50 minus 17. 50 plus 17. 100 minus 17. Totally 4 numbers on squaring. It will end with 18. I hope the logic is clear.